Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to link up BibleShow with your vMix software. So if you're a first timer in this channel, do not forget to smash the subscribe button, and if you're a return viewer, thanks for coming back. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open your vMix software. So from your vMix software, you need to add an input. So you click on the add input option. Okay, you're going to wait for a while for it to load up. Okay, so when it loads up, then you go to the area where the root NDI stroke desktop capture. So once you are here, you're going to wait for it, then you go back to BibleShow. So in order for you to find your BibleShow on your vMix NDI, you have to come to configure. And once you come to configure, you'll be seeing something like display window only like this in your desktop. You're going to be seeing something like this on your BibleShow. So you just have to untick this display window and tick NDI output only. So once you come back here, you just have to choose come back here, choose the scripture you would like to project with the wallpaper. Pick the wallpaper here and send out. So let's say I would like to use this. So once you come back to vMix, then you select it here. So as you can see now, we have successfully connected our BibleShow display to vMix. So if you have any question about this video, just drop your comment in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer your comment. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.